Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars, a cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. Today, it's absolutely beautiful in Pensacola, Florida. It's hot already, and I think it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, and the sun is baking the skin off the side of my face already. All right, guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars, as I said before, this is a warning video. As you know, things are getting harder and harder to attain, to pick up, to find. If things go awry over the next 4 years, these are some items that I'm going to tell you that you need to stock up on. These, get them, store them up, I don't care where you get them. The cheapest place, of course, is the links that Julio, tell them where the tools are at.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez Antonio. I can never remember the other name he wants. What is it?
Lopez.
Lopez. All right, those right there. Stock up on them. This right here, old 99, stock up on it, because powers that be, I've heard that this and this is going to become non-existent, and we use so much of this, gallons of this stuff. And the next thing, if you can find it, which you probably won't be able to if you can go to an industrial auction or something, they may have some left over. But this is the creme de la creme stuff right here. This is the best you can get. And luckily we had bought a bunch of it and we have it, because there's nothing that will peel clear coat off wheels and that kind of thing better than this right here. So if you can find it in some obscure place, some Napa that's, I don't know, maybe they got it sitting in the back, I don't know. But if you ask them, this is what you need right here. It's the good stuff with the good chemicals in it. And the reason I'm sharing all this with you, like the old 99 R134 Freon refrigerant, is because, as you know, they're coming out with a new refrigerant, for instance, speaking of this, that's way more expensive, and they're trying to get the cars to be outdated. So if you have an older car and that uses that, and you love this stuff here like we do because it cleans everything, and you plan on doing some work on wheels and tires and whatever it may be, you need to stock up on this. This is just a few things that we know is coming to an end through the grapevine of all the people that we deal with, hearing it and knowing this business that we're in. It's going to become non-existent, and you won't be able to get it. You'll basically have to have the whole system changed over in your vehicle. The giveaway is going to be awesome. It's starting July 1st. We're going to pick 5 to 10 names from our messages in our comments. So if you're subscribed, we're going to go down through the subscriber list and find people who are connected to our channel, as I've warned you over numerous videos, wearing you out on it. It's going to start July 1st. We're going to pick 5 to 10 names off of our subscriber list of people, of the hundreds of thousands of subscribers we have. And ship it to you. Now, when we contact you via a message and telling you you won a free sample, you're going to have to give us your address. If you're out of the country, you're going to have to get somebody in the United States that can ship it to you. All right, that's the best we can do with that. We love all of our people from Ireland and Australia and Nigeria and Egypt and all over the world. We love you all and we appreciate you. The grand giveaway we're still putting together. We're excited about that. It's going to be pretty awesome, and it'll be one person who gets the major giveaway. But this product, when you receive it, if you are fortunate enough to receive one of the many samples we have to send, don't use it like you've used other lubricants. You only have to use a tiny little bit, and that sample will last you for a very long time. It takes like a half a drop to lubricate most things. It's an amazing product. It creeps through stuff like you wouldn't believe and lubricates like you wouldn't believe. That's why we love it so much. So with that, I just had to get that in there. That's all I got to say about that. Sweet Project Cars out.